We're here at DSEI 2019. There are 4 big attractions for the land theatre this year. Behind me is the Archer self-propelled artillery system. There is also the RBSL Challenger 2 bid for the Challenger Life Extension project and the Warrior Capability Sustainment Programme, as well, of course, as Ajax. Behind me is Archer, a 155mm L-52 artillery system based for the first time on a Rheinmetall MAN armoured vehicle chassis. Behind me is the Challenger 2 technology demonstrator from Rheinmetall BAE Land Systems. It is perhaps the star of the show. It has a brand new turret and a 120mm smoothbore gun, as well as mission systems that are common to the Ajax armoured fighting vehicle family. It is part of the company's bid for the Challenger Life Extension project, a vital capability for the UK. We're at the Lockheed Martin stand. Behind me is the Warrior Capability Sustainment Programme prototype vehicle. This is a program designed to recapitalise the UK's fleet of Warrior infantry fighting vehicles and the armoured fighting vehicle family. The new vehicle is equipped with a turret and fire control system from Lockheed Martin and the CT-40 case telescoped 40mm weapon from CTAI International. For the first time at DSEI 2019, the Athena command and control vehicle, the command and control variant of the Ajax armoured fighting vehicle family, has been displayed alongside its sister vehicle, Ajax, the reconnaissance vehicle. It has undergone a series of company trials with General Dynamics UK and is due to enter reliability growth trials with the British Armed Forces next year. We've shown you just a tiny sample of the land vehicles that are present at this year's DSEI. It's an enormous show, the biggest in the UK and one of the biggest in Europe. There are plenty of platforms to see, including air and sea, and overall it looks to be an interesting event with many great developments, so make sure you're following James to get the latest.